In this video we will go over the discontinuation of Windows Mail, People app, and the Calendar app. In 2023, Microsoft said that Mail and Calendar would be discontinued in the next year. Both will be replaced by Outlook for Windows. Note this is not the same as classic Outlook. This is essentially a simplified version of New Outlook and Outlook.com. Many users are reporting Microsoft is forcing them into Outlook for Windows. For affected users, they are unable to open Windows Mail or Calendar and get a message that redirects to Outlook for Windows. This appears to be a slow rollout, with the majority of users unaffected. Our recent video about New Outlook goes over a few reasons why you may not want to use New Outlook or Outlook for Windows. In short, it is more of an advertising platform than usable software. From what we know right now, Classic Outlook will be staying for at least a few more years. We offer an ad-free contact and calendar manager that does not require internet access to use. A free trial and a perpetual license are available. For sending emails, we offer a sync to Thunderbird, Google, Outlook, and others. Check out Deja Office PC using the links in the description.